mahal is getting baptized.
I'm just gonna follow.
hanggang sa huling sandali, no?
Walang-
Tatas ka pa rin ni God. Sa alam ko, medyo gusto mo yung you know what to do, you know what to see, you know what will happen.
Hindi talaga ako nag-search.
Good.
I had the option but I did not. I want to be like go with the flow, not prepared. Like just do it. Always.
Be ready, be in tune. Kasi explain nila kung paano ba yung ginagawa mo. Right? And what does it signify for your Christian life or your journey with God. So, just be open.
So, sa loob ko,
Ha? Loot bag.
shirt, a pair of flip-flops.
Mapupunta ka na ng beach.
Uy, may pabra.
May papanty pa sila. May lola panties pa sila. Oy. Shorts.
Shorts.
Kompleto ah.
Alright.
Alright.
That's it, guys. I'm excited for this new milestone in my life. And it's more meaningful because my mahal is with me experiencing this milestone. And I can't wait.
Vlogger siya, guys. Vlogger na siya.
And I can't wait.
I can't wait. Ayun na siya, guys.
Said you're faithful. You are provider. You're mighty Father. Your love will never end. Lord, I will lift your name. Lord, I will shout your fame. Jesus, our Savior, the one who has conquered the grave. And I will lift my hands, surrender to your plans. And I will declare you are God.
Congratulations, mahal.
Baptized finally.
Naiyak ako.
Ako nga din eh.
The beginning of your journey talaga sa declaration sa child of God.
Sabi mo, ano ko lang, i-seize ko lang yung moment.
Yeah, may explain niya lahat ng mga sinabi siya sa'yo, pinag-pray ka niya. Oh.
Finish ko talaga, tapos iyak na ako. I was holding my
Worth it?
Yes. So happy. So happy.